if you're looking to recover past tax returns, I'm going to show you 2 ways to get into that. I'm actually going to be using TurboTax because it's amazing. So let's check it out. Okay, so what we're going to do is jump into TurboTax. You'll see by default we're on Tax Home. We want to jump into Documents. This is where all your documents will be stored in TurboTax. So you can see here, Documents. Currently, I have nothing uploaded for 2024. And you can go here from the View Documents from, and you can actually go and just choose a year that you would like to have those documents viewed in. So for example, let's say it's 2021, you'll have the documents all displayed here, and you'll actually be able to download them as PDF. So you'll actually have a copy of them and it'll be official copies. Now, if you're not using TurboTax and you haven't got your documents here, you can always go into irs.gov and you'll be able to dial in the search bar, access past returns. The very first one that you'll get your tax records and transcripts. Okay, so it provides information about how to access your transcripts or your tax records online or by mail. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to tap on this. You're going to open this article. It's going to give you the ability to apply for those past tax documents.